We made a video a few weeks ago where we placed thermo-hygrometers around our basement in order to monitor the temperature and humidity. This is really important since too much humidity can badly damage your tech and also lead to mold. We are very happy with the products that we used back then from BaldrTherm, so in today's video, we are going to add 3 more of them to our setups upstairs. Specifically, their solar photosensitive 3-channel thermo-hygrometer model. Thank you BaldrTherm for sponsoring today's video. Before we go into more specifics about the BaldrTherm product that we are going to use for this, let's talk a bit about solar and why it's so important and helpful for products like these. Solar power allows you to use natural light in order to power your devices, and it doesn't just have to be to power your entire house. For products like these thermo-hygrometers, it means it'll boost the overall battery life up to 12 months, thanks to something called solar boosting. This means that it draws power from solar energy in addition to typical batteries, saving you time and money since you don't have to replace the batteries nearly as often as you'd otherwise have to do. It also supports a more eco-friendly lifestyle, of course, by limiting the use of batteries. As mentioned, this is the BaldrTherm Solar Photosensitive 3-channel thermo-hygrometer. It comes in 3 colors: black, white with orange backlight, and white. It costs about $20, and with it, you get a set of 1 monitor and 3 additional sensors that you can place around your house. They actually work outdoors too, as long as they're within 600 feet of the main monitor, thanks to their durable and weather-resistant design built to withstand the weather. It's easy to both place it down on flat surfaces or mount it onto walls. We decided to place them all over our upstairs living area in our house, since we already placed them around our basement for our previous video. We placed them in rooms like our living room, where we have a huge TV, several gaming consoles, and books, none of which like it too humid. We also placed 1 sensor in our home theater, which has a lot of tech like projectors, speakers, lights, power cables, all of which we want to preserve for as long as possible. We also placed 1 monitor in our office, which houses both Cam's and my PC setup, from which we work from home. There are a lot of important components within the PC that we want to save from too much humidity, and of course, all of the surrounding tech and lights too. These sensors use advanced solar photovoltaic panels that accurately monitor the temperature in a simple, readable, and constantly updated real-time monitor. The monitor has an automatic smart backlight thanks to the built-in light sensors to adjust the backlight depending on the lighting conditions wherever it's placed, be that daytime or nighttime. There's also the option to turn the backlight off completely. So why is it even important to monitor things like temperature and humidity? Well, for us, it helps us rest easy knowing that our tech is safe. Optimal humidity levels should be between 30 and 50%, as anything over that can really damage your tech. Not only can it lead to mold, which is bad in general, but mold can also block your tech product's airflow, which can lead to overheating and component failure. Too much humidity can also cause rust or even short circuits and electrical failures. And nobody wants to see their tech be destroyed by something so easily managed as simply keeping an eye on the humidity levels. With this thermo-hygrometer, you can get instant alerts when the temperature and/or humidity changes based on a preset range you can set up. This is all managed through the monitor, where you can get an easy overview of the indoor comfort indicator across your sensors. It'll, for example, show a happy face if the humidity is between 30% and 70%, and the temperatures are between 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Here you can also view maximum and minimum temperature and humidity records and trends. We know buying something to monitor temp and humidity isn't the most exciting piece of tech, but it is genuinely so important in order to keep all of your devices and yourself in good health. You can check out the description below for more info about this specific one we're using here, or check out our previous video where we check out 2 different models that can connect to an app on your phone, if that's something you'd prefer. Thanks again to BaldrTherm for sponsoring this video. Please consider liking this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews in the future. We also post daily short-form videos here on YouTube, as well as on Instagram and TikTok at CamXPetra. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.